What up? What up? How goes it? Who do you think this is?
Yo, pussy, man.
Oh, there's great.
Molly, bro.
What up?
How's the trading going?
It's going decent. Shut the. You know, why do I have to do all of that when I feel like people like if I how do you? Because I tell you,
No.
I tried calling you the past 2 days and you didn't answer.
Nah, Molly, I agree. This guy didn't even pick up my calls. This guy picks up no one's calls, bro. Nah, I'm on Molly's side on this.
I'm not in his top 5 no more, so that's
I never got up
it's
there, bro.
him. Swipe it. Like
My heart's been ripped.
We're just peasants to him now.
We're just peasants to his nobleness.
It's like I finally noticed I've been set free.
Yeah, I didn't try to talk to you yesterday. Fuck out of here.
I was just thinking, are you doing the sim on like the next week, this upcoming week, or are you doing the random date? Are you gonna do the sim of like the next upcoming week that's coming up, like those days, like next upcoming week of like last week? Okay, no, never mind.
Enough to show it. Now my whole world's in motion. I feel like Fred, but in my neighborhood. Yeah. Call me and I will make sure to set you free. To set you free. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing with every single beat. It pulls me closer, closer to you.
Can you sleep schedule? Do you get up in the morning to trade NY or just London only? Got it. Because you stop for a while, right?
Do you ever feel like you might overtrade if you go to the gym? After if you trade after the gym? If you're ever trading like after you go to the gym, do you ever feel like you're more aggressive, maybe overtrade sometimes, or? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
This guy's jokes. This guy's like, I'm not gonna swear as much anymore in the first 2 seconds into it. So he's cussing someone out. Hey, that's a swearing word to YouTube. Oh, it's not? They don't really care about anything? Okay.
Gotta respect everybody, even their pronouns. Gotta accept them, even if they think they're a potato.
What's up, Paul? How's it going?
Is that Sharma that I hear?
That is Sharma.
What up? How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys? It's been a long time.
I'm just busy myself.
Nice,
Ah.
nice. How's the trading going? How's this week for everyone?
I barely traded this week. Like I think I took 2 trades. Both are just like quick 1% winners, but that's it.
Was it just because of like the volatility, or?
No, I was just busy with like personal life stuff.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
What about you?
I just took one trade, which was a scalp, and I turned it into a swing trade. But everybody else in the team has just been scalping.
What was I say? What pair?
It was EJ. So,
EJ?
Yeah.
I would assume it would be something with Rex or something like that.
Yeah, well, the thing is, we're pretty much just capitalizing off the negative market sentiment
Yeah.
currently, and so I just let my trade run after taking my partials from my scalp, and I just
I got a
let
quick
it
question
run.
about that.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I see that I see sometimes when you trade, you take your scalp trades and then you hold them for longer. It could be like you hold them for the day or you hold them for the week. How do you do that? Like I know you secure partial and just let it run, but like what do you do? How much do you secure and how much do you let run?
So currently my lot sizes have been like from anywhere between like 50 to 90.
Okay.
And so when I take my scalp, my partial is going to be, let's say I had an initial entry of like, let's say 50. So my partial of that is going to be the 50%, so like 25.
Okay.
I'm going to close out 25. And then after that, I wait for on 2 hour or the 4 hour. I wait for that retracement. I wait for some rejections, and then I go in with another entry and I just let that run as well. And so now I have one position that started off as a scalp, half of the position.
The 25.
And and that's just running. And then when I get my confirmations from higher time frames of rejection of levels and breaks of levels, then I can go in with another entry and another smaller entry, and I let that run.
It wouldn't be like the same amount of risk, like the fifth law would be like something much smaller, right?
Yeah, so the first one is like 25 running, and then I'll enter with like, let's say 40 or 50.
Oh, okay. And then I was gonna say, and when you do close partials like that, right? Do you bring your stops back to break even? Do you bring your stops to break even, or do you keep them at the original stop loss that you had?
My stop loss is never at exactly break even. I always trail it.
Oh,
And
like
so
slowly
once-
as you create zones.
Right. And so pretty much my rule of thumb is every time price breaks a partial level for me, I'll go ahead and like it starts moving down. I'll trail my stop loss just a couple of pips above that the partial level that I just broke. So now that partial level is like my new broken support quote, right? And so what that tells me is that if price goes back up and it breaks above the new support that was just broken, then that means that the price is going to push back up.
And do you like, is it like minor supports and resistances or minor zones or like major?
These are the ones on 4 hour and then 2 hour and even daily.
Okay, so like major zones roughly.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Good to know.
Yeah.
I'm going to get into more swing trading next year.
Yeah, for sure. Really just swing trading. If you're already good at scalping, you could just let your runners run at that point and then just let it run overnight, let it run like for the rest of the week, and obviously just look for some more scaling opportunities, which if you're already scalping, then you would just be taking more scalps and letting those run as well.
Yeah, I think it's also like the psychology behind the discipline to like let it run. Because like I'm so used to like, just securing a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 or whatever it is, and then I don't want to like worry about the trade ever again.
Yeah, another thing is like when I'm scalping, I look for minimum of 3-to-1.
Yeah, the risk reward is always better.
Yeah, so 3-to-1, and that means that I'm either catching 20 to 30 pips. So that's my minimum, my range.
I've been talking with Paul. I've been trying to go for more 1-to-2s and 1-to-1.5s.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, totally makes sense, yeah. Well, another thing is like once I start trailing it, even if price does come back up and it like hits my trail stop loss, but overall, by the time I hit my trail stop loss, maybe my risk was 3-to-1 or whatever it was, it's still a winning trade for me. So that's another way that I think about it. Yeah. Yeah, no worries. I'll pretty much just be talking about like my approach and kind of how I explain it to the students as well, and like what our entire thought process is.
It's a lot of work.
Fundamentals?
Yeah.
Honestly, yeah, I mean if you're starting off then yeah, but what I do is I have a document in the beginning of every week. So on Sunday, I have a document of like pretty much what I'm looking for, and then I have in the middle of the week I do like a trade Brexit or like a Brexit update kind of a thing, or if there's any other major events going on, then I'll do that kind of an update.
I think you have your system and like you've been doing it for so long now, it's so easy for you, but like how you're saying, like I feel like if someone new is coming into it, like it takes like just like everything else, it just takes time.
Right, yeah. And if like the harder part is just keeping up to date with the news, all you really have to do is go on Google and just look up Brexit news, and you'll see everything pop up.
Yeah.
But the important thing isn't even like understanding every single detail. It's more of like, okay, what's the overall sentiment that's being given out to the investors or the traders, and how do you pretty much translate onto the charts?
But the best gift was seeing everyone healthy and free, so I'm good. I would honestly
What up, YouTube? welcome. What up, Sergio, Jordan, Tom, Marcos, Juan, Last King. Hello, hello. Yeah, it's simulation. The market is obviously closed today. That's why the title says simulation. But same things apply. Still got our stream boss and comment as we go. What up, Jeremy?
I'm gonna just like label. I was gonna say support and resistances. So it's like a support down here. Ooh, that's a straight line. And I'll just do resistance up here just because it's on the far stuck between this little range that's in. And then just in case if it does come down, could I get a support down here now? That's pretty much it for me.
Okay. Anyone else? Anything?
Could you just move this, I was gonna say, support right here? Yeah.
There we go.
Anybody else? Nobody else wants to talk?
Come on, guys.
I think it's pretty much the same levels, and the only thing that I would probably watch out for is that long wick to the downside that we see.
This one?
Yeah, right here. And then like once price kind of breaks past that, I would look for a sell.
Okay. Grab the 30-minute. Leave everything the same still?
Yeah, for me it's fine. It does get a bit messy over here, but it's okay. I can just visually see what's coming up.
Okay.
Yeah, same.
15 looks like this. And this next candle is our London Open. We'll do 111 ticks. And we'll see what happens.
That's what I'm saying as of right now.
Yep, I think that looks solid. We'll pause it at the 15-minute.
Could I see the... I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait for the 30-minute.
Really quick, could we just check the 4-hour real quick? I just want to take a look at the structure. All right, yeah, pretty much.
You don't like this here?
No, I wouldn't take a sell there.
I think about it.
I thought it was perfect.
I saw it too. I just want to wait for a 30-minute close.
Yeah, but remember, we're moving super good on the 15, so...
Yeah.
So the
that is
15
true.
should keep moving pretty good. Which it
Can't see
did.
the 30-minute?
Yeah, as now 30-minute, there's no... That's a big stop. It still might work, but... if you want to
It's
do
coming
anything
into
on
the... Sorry, it's also coming into the thing right there, the support.
Yep, but... When we make lower lows, lower highs, we break through supports, right?
Yeah, what's the stop loss? What about to this one? Okay. I'll sorry. I'll take a sell here with stops above. And I'll target. Yeah, you can put it in. I'll tell you when to close.
Yeah, we'll target right here then. So, I mean, look at the 30-minute. We're moving super good. And we look at the 15-minute. We're still moving super good. Resistance in a downtrend. We got a nice low. And then we got clean traffic after that. So that would be even better for price to break through. And plus, when we're making lower lows, see what happens? We made support. We broke it. Making support. Probably break it. We had support here. Broke it. I wouldn't really say that's much of a support. But unless we're changing directions to go make higher highs, higher lows, we should keep breaking through supports. I don't think there's any news. News should be good. Changing directions or ranging would be the only thing I say would not break it through the support.
As soon as price breaks this 30-minute support and then I get a retest on the 15-minute, I would like to take a sell there too.
Okay, just let me know, and I can flip time frames and pause and stuff. Gurjat, you're at that target. That's about 1-to-1 right there. You want to do anything?
What? No, I'll let her run.
And can we also check the 15-minute real quick?
Yep.
All right, seems we're
Can you
coming
go
down.
left or no? It's coming into those wicks right there. That's one thing I don't like. I'll secure half and let the other half go at break even.
Okay.
The reason why I'm doing this is because I've noticed when you're coming into like these kind of wicks like this, it can go back up, and it can easily retest, and then continue down. But it could also go back into the range. So rather secure and just go break even.
Yep. All right.
So secure like 50 and just go break even the rest.
Yep. So imagine if we got sells up on resistance where we should have sold.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Then TP.
I'll close. Can you close fully?
Yeah. So
The
you
reason why-
that was 2-to-1 then.
Okay. The reason why I closed fully here is because when we saw this weak close here, typically you would see that, and then when the next one broke the high, typically you see that's going to continue. It's going to go back up, and then the way that this is coming down, it's going to continue heading further down. And I like the way I trade. I don't want to sit at the charts like all day long because I'm scalping right now. So I just want to get my trade and then get out. So I like when they had this weak close and then it broke the high. To me, that looks like it's going to go up a little bit and then continue heading down, create like a lower high.
Why do you say it's a weak close? Because the size of the wick?
The size of the candle compared to these, like just the size of the candle, we've been having such good closes, and this is like nothing compared to the previous candles.
Oh, okay, the middle one. I see what you're
Yeah,
saying.
yeah.
I thought you were pointing at the ones just to the left of it.
No, this middle one, and then the moment it would have broken the high.
Mhm.
And this may continue. This may go back up, but like now I'm out of the trade. I'm not looking at the charts for the rest of the day.
So there was an entry here on resistance, and then we created resistance again, and we pushed through support. So if we just look at resistance, just in the past tops, resistance was respected, 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 and support's continuously getting broken. I think another resistance, it's probably a good chance it'll be respected, and then we'll come down again. Is there news? And no news, so news is good.
Now, Sharma, are you looking at like it to tap that support or just get into the general zone?
I'm just in the general zone, just make
Okay.
a retracement on the 30-minute as well, and then continuation down since we're pushing up so much.
And would you wait for a close in your direction, then get in the trade?
Right, so a retracement and then rejection of that level, continuation back down. I would probably wait for the low to be broken.
Yeah.
And then take the trade.
Okay.
Can we check the 30-minute, Paul?
I'm trying to dissect Sharma's mind right now.
A 30-minute close in 2 minutes. Right there, there's your 30-minute close. Anything
So
for anyone
that
yet?
That sell trade is coming as soon as price breaks right here.
Do you want a pending there?
Not pending it, but I would take the trade.
Okay. I'll pause it once we get there.
Why that area, just in general, just because I know you like looking at this wick, but do you think that once it breaks that, this is not gonna affect it at all?
I'm thinking about that. In addition, when you're in this area, we're breaking that low. So as soon as price breaks that low, I'm pretty much taking the sell to the downside.
Okay, got it.
Gotcha. Trying to catch it in time. All right. Is that good enough or a little more?
Yeah, that's fine.
Don't you wish the charts could move this fast, and so you can skip that?
Yeah. And then where you want your stop at? Right here, or like we looking longer term, like higher?
No, the stop right above the support is fine. Like right there, yeah.
Target the low or this level down here?
Right here. With partials being around,
Around there?
hold on, yeah, around there.
Okay. What up, Clay? How's it going? Jeremy, hello. Oh, that tapped the partials real quick. And then you want a partial there?
Yes, sir.
Or how much?
50%.
It's coming into New York Open.
And also I'm gonna move my stop down at this point right here. So right above the entry.
Okay.
Yep.
Right.
And now the thought process behind that is I've already taken the partial, and if a price is already breaking the lows, these 30-minute lows, if price continues back up, breaks the high of the current candle, then it's going to come back up and it's probably going to tap into the same area that it just rejected. So minimizing my risk right there.
Perfect. Yep, this is GJ. Anthony, yep, these are always saved on the channel. We got the past 2 up there saved, or 3. They're coming into NY, it's getting a little finicky.
It might just wick you up with a surge of volume and then continue down.
Just let it go.
Okay. I saw that coming as soon as that 30-minute closed. I've seen GJ do that way too many times at NY Open. It's just like a huge kick in the face. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful. I like that
And if,
exact trade. I liked it on the close here to get
Yeah.
higher up there. But I think that was just extra confirmation for sure.
I think this could have been like a second entry to the trade here as well.
Yeah, once it broke the low.
Right.
Yeah.
And now, would you like? I obviously can't see all the time frames and go back that much. Like, and if with fundamentals, if it's saying like a negative sentiment in GBP is weak, you would let this continue, right? Run to like a major 4-hour zone.
Yeah, I would let it run.
Got it.
All right, let's go the next day. We're just doing London, so no New York nonsense. All right, let's clear these zones. Thank you, Jeremy. Appreciate it, man. If you want to come in, just let me know. Shoot me a message. Send you an invite. Let's get new zones on here. All right, what do we see for zones?
We have, yep, that one there as well. And then a level that I would probably watch out for is this one here as well. Probably get like a retest of this zone here. and then continuation down.
The top. Oh yeah, that's a way better zone down there. I just don't look at that.
On the bottom.
It kind of,
Yeah, that one.
because then it is all this strong confirmation.
Here? Or you want it higher?
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
That zone is a major zone.
Here's the 1 hour.
Yes, I would mark mine on 1 hour here as well. That we have that resistance.
Okay. Anything else?
Nope, but you don't have to mark this, but I'm pretty much looking for a retest probably in this area right here, and then
Okay.
continuation down and take the trade.
Gotcha.
At the break of this.
Perfect. All right. The lady speaking is Sharma Jalil. 30 minutes. Anyone else got any input? Anyone want to chit chat yet?
Can I see a 15-minute also?
I think it's finally starting to looking like it's moving. Gonna move good.
Yeah, I'm gonna just wait till they come down to retest and then continue.
Yep. Alright, so that was our London Open candle right here. Feeling buys or sells is the bias.
I'm looking for sales.
Yeah, same. Just waiting for that retest, rejection, and then continuation down.
Beautiful. It looks like we kind of created a low, and then we just need a resistance ideally. Oh,
It's kind of a finicky close.
yeah.
And can we just see that on the 30-minute really quick too? Okay,
Yep.
yeah, perfect. So if price breaks below here, get me in for the sell.
There's EUR news at 9, which is a low impact Italian monthly unemployment rate.
I'm gonna just wait for a stronger 15-minute close on my side.
And then stop above here.
A little bit lower, just at that support
Right here.
right there. Yep.
Could you see the 15-minute?
TP like 2 to 1, or what are we looking?
The blue line.
Okay. You want to see 15?
Yeah, the moment this closes, I'll take an entry and then stops would be just above the wick.
And can we also check the candles on the left, please, really quick?
Yep.
Alright, so I'll take partial as price breaks in this area here. And then
2, 540-ish, okay.
I'll close 25% here. And then I'll take another 25 here and then let the rest run to TP.
Okay. Gerja, you want an entry here?
Yeah, and just stops up just above the, I was gonna say 15-minute.
2 to 1?
Yeah.
See how she plays. So your 540 area, I'm gonna move this because we're not using this level. So your first partial is, it was like this 450 right here. Oh, it's his TP. Okay, that works. Right. Let's see if we continue.
No.
Game for you.
Jeez, Trump has the ultimate stop loss. Still not tapped out.
Is this when the news came out?
Yeah, the news was these two bullish ones.
Got it. Yeah, it's probably
Yeah.
gonna continue down then. We have projections to the down upside.
Oh,
Geez, Sharma, yo, I swear Sharma's predicting the future here. Her stop loss still not hit. What is this? Sharma, give me the insider information that you got.
Nothing, man. I'm sitting right here. So the thing that I just the way that I'm looking at it right now, before you start the candles poll real quick.
Yep.
We're breaking the lows, right? But if you still look, price is still breaking below or closing below this resistance that it's making, right? So even if it is like wicking and then, you know, kind of breaking a little bit above, the more important thing for me is that rejection and close below.
So,
And-
sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you. So your stop loss there is the main reason is because obviously that's the old support, but the old support you always put it at the bodies, right?
Yeah, always at the bodies.
So
I
it's
think
like if
this
this
will
broke,
continue. We're closing bearish again. It just kind of just wicked us out. I think we're still coming down.
so I was gonna say, Sharma, if that broke, right, your stop, you trade your stop loss like at these bodies again.
Yeah, so as price continues down and then where I get my partial,
Yeah, I'm saying once you get your partial, it'll be at the bodies, correct?
yeah. Was that the partial level pull?
No, partial levels down here at the 540 area down here.
Got it. Okay.
Now this being would you ever close early like this, Sharma? Because it broke the like the wicks and the bodies here, right? And then the next one kind of closed back in. What do you ever manage here? Or-
No, because right now still it wouldn't make sense for me to close because price is still respecting this resistance.
Okay.
If anything, it broke the low and then it made that lower high to continue down and make that lower low.
Got it. Cause that bro, like that's like this was like ultimate stop loss. Literally, everyone got hit except you. I was like, for sure, like if I'm gone, she's gone. There's no way, but
I'm gonna go break even on mine. Where's mine? Is 217 or 717? Yep, there we go. We'll go break even because my TP's right there. We're at your 540. You want to secure your partial?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'll post 25%.
BE then too?
I'll trail my stop loss. If my entry is here, then I'll trail my stop loss right here.
Okay. Alright, go 2 to 1. Alright, I'm gonna take mine. Mine's at like 1.8 to 1, so I'm gonna just take it. That's good enough.
I hate when that happens. It's like 2 pips away, but then it does this.
Yeah,
Bro, you move 2 more pips.
I'm sure it will. I just,
You want to sit in it.
yeah, because there's no bottom wick on this one either, and I don't want to sit through another lower high.
I feel you.
And 1.8 to 1 is still really good for a Tuesday. So, any managing here, Sharma, or just keep letting it? I think your stop is
trail
in
my-
profit. So,
Yeah, and I'll trail it even lower. I'll come right here.
okay.
So like right at the bodies, right?
Yep. Oh, not the bodies, like right above
The wick.
the wick right here, and then right there.
I'm gonna look at the stop loss next time I take trade. Right at the bodies, bro. That's like, what is this magic?
You look at right there, hit 2 to 1.
Yeah,
That should continue. Sharma's got a. That hits. That's gonna be a beautiful TP.
That was 1 to 3, right? Or 1 to 4?
I think that's 1 to 4. Beautiful.
All right.
Up 5.88% in 2 days. Not bad. Alright, let's go to. We're right into New York. So look at, we ended right on time. Got all our trades in. And again, besides this one wick kind of dicking you around, you saw the resistance here. besides this one, you won. If you sold this one and your stop was above here, you won all of that. But you won, you won, you won, you won. So if you're on the side of where the direction's going, you're gonna win. More
I
times
lost.
than not. Like if you took a buy on support, maybe you got a win or got break even. Maybe you got break even. Maybe you got break even. Nope. And maybe you got break even. So, what up, Ivan? What up, Moana? How's it going? Thank you, Julio. Appreciate it. All right, let's do. How long have we been going? All right, let's do one more day.
Sometimes these sims go by so fast. It's like, bro,
I know, it goes quick.
I got energy for another month.
All right, let's do these zones again one last time.
Gurjot is looking to finish October in like an hour here.
Honestly.
He's like, yeah, guys, I just simulated all of 2016 in about 25 minutes.
I was gonna say, is this the last one?
Yeah, this will be our
I
last
was,
day.
I was gonna say, you're gonna do a challenge where we draw no zones, just trade structure only.
I mean, that's how I normally trade, but yeah, I'm down.
You
No
down,
zones.
Sean?
Yeah, I never draw zones. All I look for is those arrows we draw every day. That's all I look for. Like today, I didn't take a trade because it didn't give me the arrows.
Sean, are you down, Tony?
No zones, just trust the structure and the trend and see what happens.
Let's do it.
Let's get it. See what happens. What up, Sam? How's it going, bro?
What is this? It's 15 minutes.
Yep, 15. 15 is really good for structure, in my opinion. Especially
it,
on
yeah.
GJ and London. So the 30 minute, your stops are getting too big.
Could I get a sell?
Yep. Oh, you got a perfect pause too.
Yeah, I almost above. Oh no, above the wick. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. TP just 2-1.
Yeah, I like the structures to see because I don't know if this is a major support. It's coming on to hour or 4 hour session and see
Yeah.
if it works.
Can we also check the 30-minute list? Y'all take the sell here as well.
Okay. We'll just do the same trade.
Yep. But my stop loss is gonna be just a couple of pips above the right here. Let's see. Right here. Yep.
And then 2-1, or what are we looking at?
Can I see the candles to the left? I'll do that 2-1 then.
Okay. Yeah. It won't let us see far enough.
No worries, no worries.
2-1. 2-1. There we go. Watch on the 15. See if resistance is respected in this sort of downtrend we're kind of making. I think that's an astounding yes.
That would have been the secure, bro. What is this? What is this?
Yo.
Bull crap that is happening.
Yo, look at that thing. It's zoom into Sharma's. It hit Sharma's TP too. God damn.
Structure only literally didn't even look left, bro.
You know, that's... You don't... If we're making lower lows, lower highs, and we're not changing direction or ranging, we break support, whether it's a 1 minute support, or a daily support, or a 4 hour support. So, structure and the trend, it works. I don't know if we lost a trade. We made...
I lost mine, and I don't
Oh yeah,
know
we
if
got
they
wicked out on...
yeah.
We got wicked out on a few, but still, 10.23% in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Only doing London.
10?
10.
Bro,
and
that's-
we only risked 1 to 2%.
That's like if I made that in those 3 days, I'll stop trading for the week. I mean for the
For the
month. For the
month.
month. For the month.
For the month. Yep. Yeah, we'll do that probably Saturday. Sunday I'm not really doing anything. But that's it for the sim, guys. I'm gonna pull up we'll get our little stats graph. That
Jeez,
one
all
hit
these
TP
is up.
really quick. So our profit made an uptrend. That's good.
Geez, just like how we trade. Boom, boom, boom.
So
Look at the gross loss.
I want to look at. So our average profit trade was 136. Average loss is 102. Not bad. Our largest trade was 246. Largest loss was 102. So over. So we're 2.5 to 1 on that, and then about a 1.3 to 1 on the all the rest of the trades. So not bad.
You have an open loss ratio anyway here?
Yeah, it'll say we had 9 winning trades, 2 losing trades.
Golden. That is
That
golden.
is really good. So
I think Paul and Gajak got the holy grail.
got a little something going on. Alright guys, thanks for checking it out. We'll be here again next Friday for more sim. And I'll see you guys on Monday for the regular live stream.
Alright, guys.
Adios, amigo.
No worries at all. Just send me the link. All right. Have a great one, everyone.